Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need Java source files and a known starting folder. Once you have that, open command prompt and get to work. First, change directory to the project root with cd and the path. This sets the scope so commands search correctly. Then run dir *, Java or tree/f to list Java files in the current folder and subfolders. This shows file names and locations quickly. Make sure hidden files aren't excluded and that you're in the right drive before continuing. Once done listing the folder, expand the search using dir/s*, Java to recurse through all subfolders. This finds every Java under the current directory. To find specific files by content, pipe results into findster/I with keywords like class or package to narrow choices. If your file's live on another drive, change to it with its letter, or use push to map a network location. These steps reduce noise and pinpoint the Java files you need to now open the located Java file directly from the prompt. Use Notepad file name, Java or start file name, Java to edit in your default app. If you want to compile, run javac with the file path, then execute with Java and the fully qualified class name. If commands fail, make sure the JDK is installed and javac is in your path. Check with where javac and echo %path%. Also verify file permissions and correct package to folder mapping. These are common causes when files won't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.